Good morning. This is Beverly Thomas Jenkins from Mosaic Studio, and I'm going to start a piece today and thought I'd show you how I start. I get by taking my substrate and I paint the edges and I put on the hanger so I don't have to do that later after all the glass is on. Some of my pieces, the glass is protruding and it makes it hard to put the hanger back on. So I usually paint the edges black just because that is a very universal neutral color and it works well with most pieces. Later on I can change that very easily. Today I decided to do a heart piece with found objects, and my adhesive that I'm going to be using today is mastic. I've put it in this freezer bag and added my colorant, mixed it all up, tied the end, and cut a piece of the corner off, so I use it like a piping bag, and it's really easy to use over and over. You just close it up and it stays moist and ready to use for several days. Today I am using a juxtaposition color, which is the turquoise. I wanted it to stand out between the pieces, so I decided to use something bright and colorful, and that's how instead of black, that's how I chose the mastic color to go in between. I use Q-tips to pick up my grout and move it. It also, cleans up the space so that my next piece that I put down will not have a bump to have to worry about. And I just start putting those down. Today I am using a combination of found objects and pieces that friends have given me and that I have located out wandering and on purpose. So here I don't mind if there's a little opening, because it shows the mastic color coming through, which is what I want. Typically, if I didn't want that, I would be cutting the corner of that piece off so it would fit flush up against the piece. But today, that's not my purpose. Today, I wanted that color to show through, and